National HIV Vaccine Awareness Day, May 18th. Get yourself tested. We produce 5 amazing videos per week, so click on the like button and subscribe to see future videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Each year, National HIV Vaccine Awareness Day on May 18 recognizes thousands of volunteers, community members, health professionals, and scientists who work together to find a safe and effective HIV vaccine. Over 30 years have passed since HIV was identified as the cause of AIDS. However, researchers continue with their mission to develop a vaccine. Treatments and preventative measures exist to help those impacted by HIV and AIDS. However, a viable vaccine is still the only means to prevent its spread. Today, we need to spread the word to promote awareness and education concerning HIV vaccine research. Nearly 1 out of 7 people are living with HIV today. That means nearly 37.9 million people around the world are living with HIV/AIDS. Additionally, the virus seems to spread the most in the poorest and most underprivileged communities in the world. Most importantly, lack of education, information, preventative measures, and medical treatment are the leading cause of HIV spreading. There are vaccines for many diseases caused by bacteria and viruses. Unfortunately, there is no treatment for those infected by HIV. Scientists are continuously working on a way to develop an effective treatment. Clinical trials and studies are constantly occurring around the world in hopes to combat the virus. The National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases considers the HIV virus a global pandemic. The organization's commitment to deliver prevention options for diverse populations worldwide is establishing progress, but more work needs to be done. Prevention, support, education. Get tested. Support someone who has HIV/AIDS. Hold a fundraiser. Encourage treatment. Listen to someone who is dealing with HIV/AIDS. Donate to a local organization that assists people with the virus. A preventive HIV vaccine is given to people who do not have HIV with the goal of preventing HIV infection in the future. Currently, no preventive HIV vaccines have been approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, but research is underway. You must be enrolled in a clinical trial to receive a preventive HIV vaccine. What is a preventive HIV vaccine? A preventive HIV vaccine is given to people who do not have HIV with the goal of preventing HIV infection in the future. The vaccine teaches the person's immune system to recognize and effectively fight HIV in case the person is ever exposed to HIV. How is a preventive HIV vaccine different from a therapeutic HIV vaccine? While a preventive HIV vaccine is given to people who do not have HIV, a therapeutic HIV vaccine is given to people who already have HIV. The goal of a therapeutic HIV vaccine is to strengthen a person's immune response to the HIV that is already in the person's body. Can a person get HIV from a preventive HIV vaccine? No, a person cannot get HIV from a preventive HIV vaccine. The preventive HIV vaccine being studied in clinical trials do not contain HIV. Of the approximately 30,000 people who have participated in HIV vaccine studies around the world in the last 25 years, no one has gotten HIV from any of the vaccines tested. Why is a preventive HIV vaccine important? Treatment options for HIV have improved a lot over the last 30 years, but HIV medicines can have side effects, can be expensive, and can be hard to access in some countries. Also, some people may develop drug resistance to certain HIV medicines and then must change medicines. Where can a person get more information about clinical trials studying preventive HIV vaccines? A list of clinical trials on preventive HIV vaccines is available from the database of clinicaltrials.gov study summaries. Click on the title of any trial on the list to see more information about the study. If you are interested in participating in a vaccine study, you can also contact the National Institutes of Health Vaccine Research Center by calling 866-833-LIFE 5433 or by emailing vaccines@nih.gov.